Hello everyone, this is Takis of Dev, computer science student in the third year. My graduation is like in 2 days. Today is 21 June, yeah, Saturday. In Monday is my graduation. But I am not actually proud of my situation. Yeah, I'm very low, like 0.001x engineer. But I'm really willing to learn. I'm really willing to learn. So first of all, this channel won't be a tutorial channel. It's more like a community. We're gonna learn, laugh, or make some kind of memes. I don't know. So first of all, I'm trying to build a community. I will share with you guys this Discord server. Yeah, there it is. Targets of the dev. So this is gonna be our server. We can laugh, we can learn, we can do anything. And second, I have these objects I wanna achieve, like low level learning. So to do that, I bought 1 year subscription, 10th June 2026, 1 year subscription in boot.dev. So boot.dev is create platform to learn backend developer path in Python and Go, like master backend developers from start to finish in Python, Golang, and SQL. There is 15 course, 8 projects, and we are going to focus on the projects. It's gonna help us finding jobs and a lot of things actually. It just will open your mind, like working in real world projects. There is videos, we're not gonna talk about this, and we have 12 months. So what are the courses? We have learn code in Python. It's interactive, like you can type, you can submit, run solution. It's amazing. I really like it. So yeah, it's interactive. There is a lot of chapters. These chapters are free, by the way. You can go start and play with it. It's like gamify. They are gamifying the path of learning. I like this so much. So yeah, we have learn Python. You're gonna start from this to this, and introduction, variables function. Go play with them, guys. Just go, you're gonna like it. There is Linux, Git, some projects. There is memory management. It's one of the main principles in all, like computer science. How memory management, how garbage collection, etc. Yeah, there is also personal projects, and there we go. Learn Go. Then HTTP, some projects, SQL, HTTP again. It's amazing. Docker, pipelines, ICD. It's just amazing. We're gonna spend it 12 months learning all these great things. This is amazing, bro. So much amazing. So yeah, this is it. This is our channel. It's not gonna be a tutorial. We're gonna have fun, build projects, learn. We have some topics like how HTTP works. Yeah, in a comic way. This is amazing. I love it. I love it. So yeah, I know I'm noob. I don't know shit. Probably I will learn from you guys. But this is it. Like, our goal is to learn, not to, just stay there. It's like, oh, I have 3 years degree in college. Yeah, what do you know? What have you built? Nothing. It's so shameless. So yeah, we are going to learn. I'm going to learn from you guys. I'm so excited about it. Yeah, and go go read my bio. You're gonna love it. Yeah, this is it. We are building a community, not a tutorial channel. We're going to learn how low-level programming works, whether it's C, Golang, I don't know. Yeah, and the last thing is I will not ask for subscriptions or likes or comments or anything, but the one thing that I'm really asking for is to remember me. Please remember Tag Zbeder. I won't stop. I will keep posting videos. I don't know how to edit videos yet, but this is the main thing. I don't want it to be perfect. I want it to be. This is what René Descartes said. I think, therefore I am. Same thing. I don't want it to be perfect. I just want it to exist. I really want to have a community, to have friends, to have people who encourage you to learn and therefore keep learning. So I will. It's a bit like a commitment to not stop. So yeah, just remember me. Maybe after 3 months, 2 months, maybe after a year, you will see some good numbers, some, I don't know, some high quality videos. I don't know. Yeah, I have OpenShot. I will be editing videos with. It's so simple. Maybe I will later have DaVinci or some high quality stuff, high quality videos. So yeah, don't subscribe, don't like, just remember me. Talk is over there. See you soon, guys. See you soon. Peace.